Hello friends, it's my 90-gallon fish tank. Today I am going to explain how I make its cover, this brown color cover, as per everybody requirement, which color he can paint. Now I show close view how I connect this one on this aquarium frame. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts. I think this is plywood of 8 mm thickness. The top one, I can open this from here, and here I have place to give the feed and necessary things if I required. Buttons, temperature controller and everything is here. Normally it remain like this, close. If I show from this side, here I have placed the screw on this silver rod. Silver bar, I can say, rectangle bar. Before this I put the screws of this joint direct on this wooden box which I have placed on this aquarium. But at that time the problem was, if I want to remove this front cover, that was very difficult to remove all the screws and then open it. Then I think I have to make rectangle pipe like this. Now I can open this like this. This iron rod is silver or aluminum, I think, very lightweight, 1 inch width, near about 1.5 inch its height. It was rectangle, so I cut its downside, measured according to this wood which I have placed here. This one is as per this height, and also cut this one from here. If I on the light, this supporting bar coming here, so I cut this one here and move upside. Similarly that place, so it can go easily down like this. By press fitting I put it high like this. Now I have opened it from that aquarium top and now placed on the table. Now if I show this side, this is like this. I cut this one from here and open this side, and now this bar can move, this rectangle like this, and within 1 minute I can remove this one from the aquarium and again I can put back it when I require. Next, here if I come this side, this is the main frame which I have made in start, so everything is connected with this one, button, light, everything. And this some filter side, just this iron sheet I used here, soft one, and just make it like this U type and open it. Now I can place it here. Now my sum filter is here, and if I want to open this side, this one is also same, the same iron sheet I use, soft one, this side, one lock is here, one lock is that side, and here is open, this one. And now from here open, I can put it here. Now this downside, same lock I make here with this iron sheet, soft one. Just press this one and open it upside, move it from down upside like this, and then little bit move it left side, slide. After moving left side, then I can move it back here like this. Here I have made this L shape iron piece, this one, that side, that side. This, when I put here, it comes here like this and lock tightly fit here, then it not fell down. Similarly that side is also connected with this iron lock. I can move it and slide and come out. And here my main frame sports. My tank length is 4 feet, so I make 4 feet length, 2 feet height its frame, make it very good quality iron bars because its weight is too much with water and everything. And now if I show the full tank from the far, here is the situation full. If I want to do some maintenance work, then I remove these covers within 1 minute, and after making some modification or anything, then I put back the covers. Very simple. Top side remain open all time, and this is the main structure which all time remain upside. Top side open, not close. Hope this video will help someone. Still, if I did something wrong, anybody can tell me in comments. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.